Perplexity just dropped something crazy. They gave their AI a brain, a real memory. This changes everything about how you use AI, and I'm going to show you exactly what this means for you. So here's what happened. Perplexity just launched memory for their AI assistant. And this isn't like the other AI tools you've used. This is completely different. Most AI chatbots forget everything the second you close the tab. You have to start over every single time. You have to explain yourself again and again. It's like talking to someone with zero memory. But that's all changed now. Here's how it works. Perplexity now stores your preferences and key details automatically. Things like your favorite brands, your dietary needs, the topics you care about, all of it gets saved securely. And when you ask a question, Perplexity doesn't just treat this like random training data, it actually retrieves the specific context it needs from your memory store and uses it directly to give you better answers. This is huge because most AI tools just look at patterns and guess, but Perplexity pulls your actual information and crafts precise responses based on what it knows about you. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Every conversation builds on the last one. Perplexity creates a dynamic understanding of you that gets more nuanced over time. And here's the best part. This memory works across every single model they offer. You can switch between reasoning models for complex stuff, fast models for quick questions, and specialized models for specific tasks. Your context follows you everywhere. Other platforms lock you into their system. But with Perplexity, you own your context. When a new model launches, you don't lose anything. All that knowledge you built up is still there. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So back to it, and you also have complete control. You can turn memory off whenever you want. If you're by researching something private, one click, and it's disabled. When you use incognito mode, memory and search history are automatically turned off. Nothing gets saved. All your data is encrypted. And you can opt out of contributing to model improvement if you want. Perplexity gives you full control over your information. What makes this different from other AI memory features is that Perplexity automates everything. Some tools just dump your entire chat history into the context window and that hits limits fast. You end up manually summarizing stuff just to keep going. But Perplexity figures out what's important and preloads it automatically. You never have to worry about context limits or losing your thread. It just works. If you want to master AI tools like Perplexity and build your own personalized AI assistant that remembers everything about you, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you exactly how to set up memory features like this across multiple AI tools. You'll learn how to train AI to understand your preferences, automate repetitive tasks, and get answers that are perfectly tailored to you. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we break down tools like Perplexity step by step so you can save hours every week and get results that actually matter. The link is in the description. Now let me show you what this actually looks like in real life. Say you ask Perplexity to recommend running shoes. A normal AI gives you generic top 10 lists, but if Perplexity knows you're training for a marathon or you have bad knees, it gives you exactly what you need. Not 50 random options, just the right shoes for your specific situation. Or you're planning a trip to New York next week. You ask for a book recommendation for your flight. If Perplexity remembers you love mystery novels or you hate romance books, it suggests books you'll actually enjoy, not just whatever's on the bestseller list. Actual recommendations based on your taste. Here's another one. Holiday shopping. You ask what gifts should I buy for my mom and brother. If you've mentioned them before, Perplexity already knows your mom loves gardening and your brother is into gaming. So instead of generic gift guides, you get real ideas that make sense for the actual people in your life. Or maybe you had a conversation last week about dealing with a difficult coworker. You can't remember exactly what was said. You ask Perplexity, what was that advice you gave me last week? And it pulls up the whole conversation, everything you talked about. This is like having a friend with perfect memory who never forgets a single thing you told them. Meal planning becomes effortless. You tell Perplexity once that you're allergic to peanuts and you don't like cilantro. From that point on, every single recipe it suggests works for you. No more scrolling past recipes you can't eat. No more ingredients you hate showing up. Just food that actually fits your needs. Working out gets personalized. You mentioned you have a shoulder injury. Every workout plan it creates accounts for that automatically. You don't have to keep explaining it. It just remembers and adjusts everything accordingly. Learning a new language becomes so much easier. You tell Perplexity you're learning Spanish at a beginner level. Then every time you practice, it stays at your level. It doesn't throw advanced grammar at you that you can't understand. It meets you exactly where you are because it remembers where you are. Shopping for clothes gets better. You tell it your style once, maybe you like minimalist fashion or you're into streetwear. From then on, every fashion recommendation matches your vibe. You're not getting random suggestions that don't fit your taste at all. If you're a parent, this is a game changer. You tell Perplexity your kids are 5 and 8 and they love dinosaurs and art. Now, when you ask for weekend activity ideas, you get museums with dinosaur exhibits and art classes for kids. Stuff your actual kids will enjoy, not generic family activities. Here's what most people miss. AI memory compounds over time. Every conversation adds to what the AI knows. Every question makes the next answer better. 6 months from now, you'll have an AI assistant that knows you as well as your best friend. It knows your preferences, your goals, your hobbies, your family. All of that knowledge is instantly available whenever you need it. Think about how powerful this is. You're not just getting answers anymore, you're building a personal AI that understands you. Every question you ask teaches it more about how you think. Every preference you share makes future answers better. This isn't like using a search engine where every search is separate. This is building a relationship with an AI that actually remembers who you are and what you care about. And the crazy part is most people won't use this right. They'll ask random questions and never build that foundation. But if you're intentional about it, if you take 10 minutes to tell Perplexity about yourself up front, you're setting yourself up for months of better answers. Tell it about your lifestyle, your preferences, your goals, the people in your life, and watch how much better every single interaction becomes from that point forward. Here's what you need to do right now. Start using Perplexity. Start building your memory today. Tell it about yourself, your interests, your preferences. The sooner you start, the sooner you build that knowledge base, and the sooner every answer you get becomes perfectly tailored to you. Don't wait for everyone else to figure this out. By the time this becomes mainstream, you'll be way ahead. You'll have an AI assistant that knows everything about you, and everyone else will be starting from zero. AI is getting better every single week. If you're not using these tools, you're missing out on so much time you could be saving. Other people are already using this stuff. They're getting better answers. They're saving hours. They're getting way more done with way less effort. But if you learn how to use these tools the right way, you can get so much more out of every single day. You can find better information faster. You can get help with tasks that used to take forever. You can make better decisions because you have better information working for you. This isn't about using AI because it's trendy. This is about making your life easier, saving time, getting better results in everything you do. And tools like Perplexity with memory make all of that possible. So go try this out. Start building your memory in Perplexity right now. See how it changes things for you. See how much time you save. See how much better the answers get. And if you want to go deeper and really master AI tools, join the AI Profit Boardroom. The AI Profit Boardroom is where you learn exactly how to do this. I show you the tools. I show you how to set them up. I show you what actually works in the real world. No fluff, no theory, just stuff you can use right now. This Perplexity memory feature is exactly the kind of tool we break down step by step. You learn how to use it, how to get the most out of it, how to make it work for you. Check out the link in the description. And if you got value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI updates. That's it for today. Go try Perplexity and see what it can do.